My name's Alden and this is my friend Cameron, and today we're going to be showing you how to make your first game on GameMaker, and the game is called Catch the Clown. So what are we first what we're going to be doing is creating the sprites, so that's going to be the items in the game.
Sprites is the little Pac-Man dude up here, it's the red one. So we want to click on him to load our first sprite.
Sorry about the noise, by the way.
Yeah, don't mind the background noise, we've got a teacher doing stuff. So we'll make a clown.
Which is load sprites. So you should get this in the tutorial. You have to go in wherever you saved your file.
There's a resource folder in there. You want to get that and then get the clown. The clown one. And call it sprite underscore clown.
Yeah,
like that.
Yeah.
Then that's your sprite for your clown, and then you want to do wall. So load another sprite.
Yeah.
And sprite wall. And load it. That's your wall.
Okay, so those are the two main sprites we're going to be doing.
Yep.
So load them and then load the background. We need to
We'll do sounds.
We'll do sounds.
So we'll load sounds. Sounds is right next to the Pac-Man dude. It's the speaker.
Yep.
So we'll
First
load
of
our
all,
sounds.
you're gonna call first of all you're gonna get the bounce one.
We'll get about.
And you're gonna call it SND underscore bounce.
That's one. Then do it again for the next sound.
Yeah, so this one is going to be called SND underscore click. You can name whatever you want, but this is more professional, if you know what I mean. And it's, Alright, so what we're going to be doing next is objects, right? Or background.
We'll do the background.
Yeah, we'll do the background.
Okay, so the background is
doesn't
again
know
right next to the speaker. This one.
Everything's
everything's next to each other. It's all of the things that you probably ever need will be right up the top here.
So what you want to do in background is
main background.
Yeah, back main. Can you open that? Okay.
That's our background.
And then we'll do back objects now, yeah?
Yeah, and we'll do objects. Objects is a blue sphere.
Yeah, it's a sphere. It's just an
Sphere.
object. It's an object.
Yeah.
So what you want to do is object wall. Instead, how there's no sprite, you have to click on that little folder there. You have to open up your clown one.
Wall.
Wall. The wall's the easiest one.
Yeah. And we want it solid because that way, if when the clown hits it in the game, it will rebound.
Yeah, it will bounce off, so it doesn't go through it.
So it doesn't go through the wall.
Yeah.
That's all for the wall. It's much easier than the clown. Which
clown's going to be a bit more complicated, but it's still easy.
So we click clown now. Again, we select the little folder to pick our clown.
Alright, so what you want to do is there's a add event. You click on that, and then you go to create. And then there should be move that red thing there.
Move fixed.
So you're gonna have to all the 8 arrows except for the middle one because you want it to constantly move, and the speed would be 4. You can make it whatever you want, but 4 is a reasonable amount of speed, and you don't make it.
Don't check that.
Yeah.
If that's checked, uncheck it.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's for create.
Okay, collision with the wall.
And then so we want collision hits the wall.
Yeah.
So that way something's gonna happen when it hits the wall.
So we're gonna have to bounce, which is
this one.
And then you just leave it like that because you don't need to adjust anything. And then next is play the sound when it bounces. So you get that speaker. And so no sound, so you're gonna have to choose a bounce sound, the ones we made earlier. The sounds we made earlier.
And make sure lip stays false because otherwise it'll constantly play.
Yeah.
Don't mind me.
Okay, next we're gonna do left click, add, is it
Mouse.
bounce?
So left press. You don't want left button, you want left press.
Yeah. So when you
So that way when you press left, not just when the mouse is on it.
So we're gonna set score to 10, which is go to isn't it control? Yes, score.
And then this one, set score.
Yep. So you want to make it 10. You want to make it relative, so you keep
So that way each time you click on the clan, it'll keep adding 10 on to the original score.
Yeah. And so next we are going to do sound click. So when you click on the clan, it will make a clicking noise. And then it will, like earlier, there was a score.
Yep.
Yeah, so, clicking sound that we made earlier.
Again, loop false.
Yeah, so you don't want to keep replaying.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
And you move in direction, so...
And we want it to jump to random. So,
you jumped to random, sorry.
which is this
which
one.
is, that one.
With the question mark.
Yeah.
We don't need to change that, so that way when you click on it, it'll just go to a random place on the board.
Yeah. It doesn't need
And then move in a fixed direction, which will be very useful again. Just select all 8 except for the middle.
Except for the middle, you want it to move. And set the speed to 0.5 and make it relative.
So that way, each time you click on it, it adds 0.5 speed. Don't mind the background noise, guys.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Alright, so we want to make it louder than the background noise. So next is the room. Okay, we finished all that. Next is the room.
Okay,
So we
rooms is this little window here. Click on that to start it. Well, it's a bit of we don't have quite enough space for this, so we'll just do right. Just okay.
Yeah, perfect. So what you want to do, you have the sprite, the wall, the object.
You click on that to change it.
Yeah, we want to do
the wall first.
So what you want to do, first of all, before putting the wall, you're gonna have to set these coordinates to 32, x 32, y 32.
It just makes it the blocks. See how they changed? They were smaller, now they're bigger. That's what you want.
So now what you want to do to place them is right click.
Oh, okay.
So right click on one of the boxes, it should appear.
Left click. Right click.
Left. Yeah.
Both. Both way. Right click would do normally. Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
if
you want to do, we're using a Mac, so
yeah, it's much.
it's
but
much
there's all your information here. So when you do it, you will see all your information.
if you want to do it faster, you just shift and just drag across the screen.
That's what we're gonna do now.
And go down. Yep. So what you want to do is just go. Make sure there's no scroll things on the edges on the thing. So
you want to make sure there's no scroll, which is why we made it bigger. Because otherwise you won't get the whole thing.
Yeah.
If you have to make it bigger, or you'll have to scroll down, which will take a bit longer.
Good.
Yeah.
You want it to look good, of course.
Okay. And then we'll put the clown in. You only need one clown, and just put it anywhere. So we'll just whack it there.
Yep. So
And next, we'll just let you guys know now. With the background, this is on Mac. It's much more confusing. Like it comes up in blocks.
yeah,
And it doesn't make sense.
It disappears. But if you guys are going to be using Windows, it shouldn't be disappearing like this on Mac. We'll try our best, but we don't understand why it doesn't do that. Just so you just click around the area like that, and it should that was really glitchy.
It was the same.
So don't worry about that. You guys just have to click around and make the whole thing red. Just have a nice background, and that's pretty much all you do.
We'll put a screenshot up, which you'll see in a minute, of what it's going to look like when you do it on Windows.
Yeah.
So that way you guys get to know where it all is.
Yeah.
So that's all for the room. So then you just want to save the changes.
Yep.
So that was because the background went a bit haywire.
So once you play the game, you click on this green arrow. Of course, ours is not finished because we don't have a red background. But if it wasn't Mac, then we would do it.
Yeah. So we'll just run the game, and this is your game.
Yeah.
And then all you want to do is just try and click on your clown.
Okay. That was a bit of a lag.
Yeah.
And you should have a red background. We'll show you a screenshot after this video.
What it looks like. We'll put a couple of screenshots into it.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, that's basically it.
Yeah.
Thanks for your game.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something from this tutorial, and see you guys next time.